cruising along and you're noticing either the page isn't loading quite right, or it's slow, or things are just kind of creeping along and it's not what you would like from your computer, from your browser. So one way to address that is to check out what's called browser cache, to clear out things that could be old, that could be corrupt, and could be getting in the way of you speedily getting to the thing that you want to see. So to address that, I'm going to demonstrate in Chrome and show you how to clean up temporary files, how to clean up cache and get that moving cleanly again. Within the Chrome browser, what you would do is look for the three dots in the upper right hand corner, click that, go to History, History again, and along the left there should be this Clear Browsing Data option. If it does not appear, if the window is small, it may disappear, in which case you can just hit the three lines to bring that in and click Clear Browsing Data. Now within this window, you would likely want to keep your browsing history because that's a remembrance of places you've been and probably want to visit again. So I would recommend clearing that check. If it's checked, that we want to keep. Cookies and other data, that's all very temporary and eats up a lot of space and likely the culprit of what you're seeing. Keep that checked. Cached images, I would also say clear that as well, because some pictures are subject to change, or if you're viewing new content perpetually rather than revisiting the same content, this is not giving you much value. In fact, it's just eating up your computer space. So check those two options and make sure that along the top, the time range is set for all time. It will default to one of these other options depending on how you're set up, but really we want to get rid of everything, not just for the last few days, the last few weeks, or even the last hour. Really, we're looking to reset this slate for these two items clean, make them back to where they were when we started, and then clear data. Depending on when this was last done, it may take a few minutes, so it's not uncommon for this to sit and spin until it finishes. Just be patient, and when it's done, you can close all these windows and go on your way. So these steps can be used more or less in other browsers. The same principle and approach is there, slight differences along the way, but hopefully this gets your browser experience back to where you want it to be to get things moving and to give you the opportunity to keep pace with family.